And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and again, welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And here we have Mass Rider Faiz from Figurized Standard Bandai Spirits. And let's take a look at the box art. So here we can see Faiz initiating his rider kick as he puts this gadget here. And we see the Faiz belt with the Faiz pawn equipped. And off to the side, we see here Mass Rider Faiz, of course, the front and back. We see some different gimmicks that we can do with him. And of course, the effect parts, they do include the effect parts and other weapons that he used. Faiz. Some details about the show. Come on, Faiz. Okay. So let's take a look inside the box. So first off, we have one back here with a very big full sticker sheet and a multicolored runner here. Second bag has all silver parts. Third, we have the effect parts. Fourth, three runners here with all black and red. Lastly, one more runner all black and the standard stand. And of course, we do have the instruction manual. There we go, Kamen Rider Faiz. So let's take a look with the runners one by one. So first up, we have the A plate here, which has red, black, and of course a clear orange. So this clear orange is basically for his visor. This part here for his visor again. This is for the knee pads. This is for the body here. Okay, and we have the manipulators here, the feet, and of course parts for the legs. So this is the A plate here. We then also have the B plate here. So B plate is consists only of black. We have parts for the head here, parts for the torso, the waist, the upper torso body, lower torso, more parts for, I think this is the arms, yep, and joints, shoulders. Yep. So that here is the B plate. We also have the C plate, which is pure silver. Everything is silver, so still parts of the chest, parts of the feet, the head, the belt. This is where the Faiz phone will be stored at. Parts for the Faiz phone here. So that's the C plate. So shiny and silver. We then have the D plate here, which is actually the effect parts. And also the E plate here. More red parts for Faiz. As you can see, Faiz earlier has the color motif of black, silver, and red, and of course orange for the eyes. So that's the E. We also have an F plate here, which consists parts for the shoulder, hips, upper leg. This is, I think, for the feet and the neck. So that's the F plate here. We also have a PCF plate here, which will be for the connectors, or the other for the movements here. Yep. So that's a PCF. And of course, we can't forget the standard Figurized stand that they always include. And of course, the foil stickers, which most of these foil stickers is actually used for inside his chest when he goes into axle mode. And some parts for the feet, Faiz phone, and some parts of his weapons. Yep. And yes, of course, we can't forget the instruction manual. And here you can see all the action poses that we can do with him, some color guides. Lo and behold, what's inside the instruction manual? So yes, there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Figurized Standard Masked Rider Faiz. So again, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, leaving a comment, and viewing other videos. And this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you.